Back, everybody, and thanks again for joining us here on KXAN News at 4. A gorgeous shot there over downtown Austin. A warm day here for sure, but we also want to pass along an update to our drought here in Central Texas. So Chief Meteorologist Nick Bannin is here to provide that update.
Well, it has been a growing problem for us over the last few months. Had some wetter weather last year, and of course we had our winter storm that brought some beneficial rain, but then we just haven't had a whole lot since. So it's better to look at the comparison from last week to the latest to figure out what changed. But in this case, the change was super small. A very tiny sliver of western Travis and Williamson County actually saw the drought go worse from severe to extreme, because this was last week's and this is this week's. You can almost barely tell the change, but the change was a worsening in the drought, which of course is never good news. Now, as we're marching toward the end of meteorological winter, which ends with the end of February here in a few days, we're not forecasting any more rain for the rest of the month, so that means we're not going to get any more rain for the rest of the season. So I looked in depth on how much rain the driest winters in Austin have ever had. And you can see the winter of 1901 to 1902 was the driest, with 69 hundredths of an inch of rain. And you can see the second place there had barely any more than that. Third place, a little more than an inch back in the winter of 1995 to 1996. Then you can see in fourth place, which was more recent, 2013 to 2014 had about an inch and a half of rain. Well, we're not far behind some of the driest winters ever this year. We're going to end with just 2.19 inches of rain here this winter. So no real surprise that the drought continues to worsen. Now, winter is our driest season of the year, so we're not expecting a lot of rain in a given winter, but we were even drier than that. The good news, as we shared yesterday, is the spring rainfall outlook, March, April, and May, is near normal. Now, sure, it would be better if it was wetter than normal to try and do a little catching up, but near normal rain in what is our wettest season of the year, not too much of a bad thing here, although it is drier than normal well out to our west, and that includes portions of the Panhandle. All right, we've got beautiful blue skies and sunshine from our Austonian weather camera right now. It's been a lovely day as long as the wind hasn't bothered you too much. It's been a little breezy, nothing terrible. Certainly it was windier earlier in the week. We've had a weak cold front moving through central Texas now. It's only served to change the wind direction and therefore usher in some drier air. But what that's going to mean tonight is a mostly clear sky, a few patches of low clouds in our southeastern counties early tomorrow. Otherwise, tomorrow is going to be a lovely, sunny, but unfortunately dry day, given that we need the rain, of course. But clear skies just about all day long. Then starting Saturday, we start noticing a change. The humidity starts to rise a little bit, especially for the metro and our eastern counties. And that's going to result in a pattern that means morning clouds giving way to sun. We have that a lot this time of year, and that new pattern begins Saturday. You can see the morning clouds giving way to mostly sunny skies already by noon Saturday, and then it's a very sunny Saturday afternoon. The low clouds come back Saturday night into Sunday. Sunday's cloud coverage more widespread, and it's going to take longer before the clouds on Sunday give way to sun, but they eventually will. Hey, look at Laredo. They're still ahead of our cold front, and they're at 102 right now. Behind the front, here we are at 84, which is clearly a nice break in comparison, but not as warm as the 88 that we got to yesterday. So we're mostly clear tonight, dry down to 59. A north wind now, but at least it's a lighter wind. You can see overnight lows 50s across much of the area. There may be a few spots in the hill country that are bordering on almost being in the 40s. Our day tomorrow, mostly sunny, dry, much less wind, still a light breeze, and that's going to shift from the north to the east as we head through the day, but just 5 to 10 miles per hour. And you can pick your location here on the map, but it's middle and low 80s for most of us tomorrow. And remember where we should be, upper 60s this time of year. So this is highly unusual to be this warm so frequently. But with less wind tomorrow, the wildfire risk that we've been so nervous about all week is lower. It's not zero, though. It's still a moderate to borderline high in some spots, so we've still got to be careful about disposing of smoking materials and not burning, but at least it's not as high as it was today. So early clouds to sun on Saturday, 84. Clouds gradually giving way to sun on Sunday, and 85. And then we can start looking ahead to a pattern change for next week. Tiny rain chance Tuesday, slightly higher rain chance Wednesday. This particular model is wet, but not all of them are. So right now our rain chances Wednesday are at 30% and some lingering showers possible into next Thursday. Here's how it looks on our first warning weather 7-day forecast. 80s much of the time. A very weak cold front Monday may dip into central Texas knocking us out of the 80s briefly. But then we're back in the 80s here Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday as that weather pattern begins, and you can see it continues well into the first couple of weeks of March.